Welcome back to the live day trading session today, and I have 3 trades I want to show you guys. 2 are going to be gains, 1 is going to be a loss, 3 are both short-sided trades, and I'm just going to go through my thought process and everything behind why I entered and what happened during the trade. So as you can see, this trade I entered in because I thought price was at a good level, it was moving around good, volume was low for the upside, it was still favoring the short side. So I do decide to enter in for a short position. As you can see, I do move my stop loss up to 3 points positive, and I'm in 5 contracts, but as you can see, it shoots back up. I was not prepared for this push back up, so I decided to move my stop loss even higher, which was a mistake as this turned out to be the loss trade. And this is where it comes from, the unpreparedness part, like I said, where you don't expect something like that to happen, where it shoots right back up and you kind of want to get more of that profit in, so you decide to move your stop loss back up. But this is where you have to follow your plan. If your plan says put your stop loss for that gain as it goes down that amount of points, you have to do it. As you can see, it takes me out for the loss of 6 points, and I enter right back in because I am looking at price action again. It's still saying good for shorts. I should have kept in. Volume is doing good for the short side still. It is favoring the short side. You're going to see why it still favors the short side in a bit. And as you can see, it's going off from where it took me out, and it's going to continue going down because this is what the price and volume was both telling me that it was going to do. And this is why you need to stick with your plan. This is why, like, if I put it at the break even, it would have taken me out for a gain and I would have not got the loss, and I would have got right back in. But I'm in anyways. I'm looking, since I'm 5 contracts in, I'm gonna take off 3 soon, as you will see in a bit, and it's shooting down. I see where price is. This is why I take off 3, because it could instantly reverse at the position or price point it's at already. So I do take off the 3, then I decide to take off 1 more to leave 1 contract behind to kind of let the market do its thing, and then I'll decide whether or not if I'm going to take it out or trail. Seeing at where price is, what happened, it seems good for the short side. Then I look at the volume. Volume is still favoring the short side, and as you can see, it is playing out how it's supposed to play out. This is why being prepared in the first trade would have been so much better. I would have not taken the loss and I still would have been in the trade. But as you can see, price shoots down, so I decide to trail it tightly, gain profits on this trade. As the reason why is I know it's not going to hit my target price because volume instantly was lost on the short side and favored the upside really soon. And you're going to see why it was so good to get myself out at this position where I did in this next clip, where it takes me out for the gain. I'm good, but in the next one right here, as you can see, it instantly reversed right back to break even. Now this is the 3rd trade, and the 3rd trade I took, I was looking for short again. As you can see, price was moving at a favorable spot for short. The volume that favored the upside is the long overdue for another short, so volume is pointing for the short side, not for the upside anymore. It's coming off a good area of interest for price, and it decides to shoot down. So I wait for the close of the bar, I enter in, and I have my stop, and I play this out like how I'm supposed to play it, where it shoots down, and I look to take off 3 more contracts at a favorable position. And the reason why I take off my 3 contracts at the place I did is because volume later in the clip, as you'll see, has a tough time favoring the short. I mean, you're seeing it, it's working right now. So I decided to take off 3, put 2, take off another one, leave 1 behind to kind of let it play. Then I saw my volume, and it was saying that shorts are going to be very short-lived. It's not going to hit your target. So trail, as I'm saying, as I'm seeing it, I trail, it takes me out, and it was a beautiful trade. Later, this trade did reverse and the day turned into a long day. Then turned right back into a short day. But today was a good day. Price action was good, but volume was on the weaker side of the day and strong side of the day for both the volume and the price. But in the end, it was a good day. Mistakes were not being prepared for any rapid movements in the market, which is a rookie mistake, and that caught me off guard. That's all I'm gonna say for that. So I learned my mistake, wrote it down, and we are on to the next day. So yeah, that's it. Profitable day, very happy with it, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys on the next clip. And if you want to see more in-depth reviews, make sure you like, subscribe, so I know to post more.